Okay, I'm so excited. I won a giveaway.
Oh
Yeah. Yeah. Are you excited? Mommy won a giveaway. Are you excited? No? No? Okay, yeah. He's not excited. He's just watching his puppy pals. Oh, you are excited?
yeah.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Okay, he is excited. Good. So I won a giveaway. Diana from She Leaves a Little Sparkle had a treat yourself giveaway. It's basically a Pamper box. This is everything that you need to have a spa day at home. Well, the first thing is actually a scarf, a blanket scarf, and I love some scarves. Matter of fact, I am gonna put this on right now. One thing that you will always find on me in the fall/winter is a scarf. So this is just, ooh, very soft and luxurious. You can wear it a lot of different ways. So I'll definitely be experimenting with that. But let's get to the contents of the actual box. It came in this really pretty rose gold kind of basket, bucket. So I love that. And it has all kinds of bath soaps, different scents, lemon, verbena, and mint, lavender and chamomile, perfect for relaxation, coconut milk and mango, let's see, argan and shea butter. This one is apple and cinnamon. And then there's a bunch of other goodies in here. There are some bath bombs, fizzing bath bombs. This is bath soap, vanilla cream, some salt there. Here's another bath fizzer, vanilla cream also. Actually, 2 of those. Yeah, no, 3 of them, 3 of them. And this is some facial wipes, some hand wash in the same scent, as well as body cream. My son is saying no. Yes, yes, yes. What else? What else? Ooh, body oil.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Here's a face mask. This one is, see, relieves and reduces puffiness. Yeah. Ooh, this is a blender sponge. Yes, and a purple one. And then there's a pumice stone and a brush. This is for mega growth nail treatment, as well as this little nail file, a mini one for your purse and a regular one. So I'm super excited. I'm definitely gonna have a spa day. Is Mom? Yeah, wow. Mommy's gonna have a spa day. What do you think? You think that's a good idea? Yeah, so once this little guy goes to bed, Mommy's Mommy's gonna have a spa day. What do you think about that? Oh yeah, he's always trying to show you guys something, but you can't see it, so. But anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you. Thank you again, Diana. Yeah, if you haven't seen Diana's channel, She Leaves a Little Sparkle, I'm gonna link her channel below. Definitely check her out. She does a lot of mommy videos. She's just started a new series of organization. She does cleaning videos. She had a great Christmas little spread. I know Christmas is over, but you might want to check out some things for next year because she has some really good ideas. But definitely also subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Let me know what your favorite thing in this giveaway was, and thank you so much for watching.